Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. In a ear, and you're looking at the sensory receptors. So the first end organ we are seeing is the organ of Corti. So the organ of Corti, the receptor here will be the hair cells. So the receptor is nothing but the hair cells. And what is the action? The action will be nothing but the sound conduction. So action is nothing but the sound conduction. Next is the ampulla of the semicircular ducts. So what is the ampulla of the semicircular ducts? So the ampulla here, the receptor will be the cristae. So ampulla of the semicircular ducts, the receptor is the cristae. Whereas in organ of Corti it was the hair cells, in ampulla of semicircular ducts it's cristae. And what is the action? A for action, so it is A for ampulla, and the action will be angular momentum. A for angular momentum. Next is the otolith organs. We will look at the otolith organ. So otolith organ, it includes the utricle and the saccule. So it includes the utricle as well as the saccule. And what is the receptor? The receptor it includes will be the macula. So this is the otolith organ. So the receptor will be the macula. So what will be the action? The action will be the linear momentum. So organ of Corti was sound conduction. Then ampulla was for A, that is a angular momentum. And then the otolith organ, that is the utricle and the saccule. This is for the linear momentum. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.